Okay, and this is the process I followed for the earbuds. So I decided to model the earbuds first before the case, but to be honest, I probably could have done it the other way around. Wouldn't have made that much of a difference. I've labeled everything by what it is, so it's easy to understand. So I started off the process. I started from the top, modeling the shape and then offsetting planes to create lofts. I just thought it was the best way to do like this kind of geometry. And then offsetted lofts, went through, did plane by plane to create the different geometries, and then lofted them all together. I did individual lofts even though it looks a bit messy, just because it's a bit easier to control, to be able to manipulate each one individually, I found. And then I did a extruded cut at taper to give it that top panel. Then I separated this part so that I could turn it into a mesh grill later on. Then I offsetted the plane to model the side loft, and then I filleted it to smooth it out and added the end cap so that the rubber tip can sit on it. And I measured all this based off the research earbuds I had, and then I shelled the whole thing, and then I created the where does it look so weird? Then I did some fillets to clean it up to soften the hard edges, but I tried to keep it kind of hardish edges because I wanted to do a bit of like a cyber truck kind of style earphones. Then I added in like a hexagon mesh at the bottom, and then I combined the different components together so they're all one piece, and then did some more chamfers, and then I created this octagon grill at the top where the LED could shine through, and then I created the ear tip where I created a solid body and then filleted it, shelled it, and then I had the geometry. And then I cut it back a bit so it fit better with the shape, allowing for a bit of bend room because it would be rubberized. And then I added in the contacts for charging, and then I mirrored it to have two earphones, and then I created the embossed features. And yeah, and that's it. Cool. Thank you.